Hey people, so I'm going to do another belching video because I can.
Damn you! And because he has no life.
Here's our guest, Jacob. That sucks. I guess I found someone better than me, which kind of fucking pisses me off.
That one chick, though, that one girl I knew, dear God, she could just destroy a house.
Don't puke, man.
Damn, it wasn't very long. You had length. Huh, fuck you, Sandra. You have length.
Yeah, brother, you bitch.
Damn.
I have more practice, bro. Trust me, ask him.
It's like it's a rush of air. Give it a minute.
Don't make yourself sick, bro. Dude, you look like you're gonna hurt.
I'm not going. If that would have went on a little bit longer.
So, he was pretty good.
They're not all they keep coming up short.
So, this has been a pretty good video of belching.
Pikachu. Sleeping powder. Oh, I feel a strong one. It wasn't good enough. It was piss poor pathetic. One more time, work. Okay, that was okay by my standards.
Wow,
Okay.
we're really on a roll. Keep them coming.
That was only okay. I need you to get there, Bellsprout. I love you so much.
So, that's it for you. Hope you enjoyed these magnificent belches from my guest today, Jacob. See you next time on Judo is Not a Monkey's Belching Awesomeness.